Good morning everybody and welcome to this video. My name is Patrick. I'm the owner of the recruiting agency. In this video I want to talk a little bit about the fact that we are looking for German speaking candidates who want to work in Greece as a content moderator for social media, in particular a instant messaging platform. I cannot say the name, but basically we all know who I mean. What you will be doing is actually when people are getting banned from this platform, this messaging platform, they can add a ticket towards the platform with a reason why they think that the ban was not right, that it was a fault, whatever. You will be checking the content, the reason that it was banned, so on, and you will decide whether or not this person should regain access. It is a function, the job, it is a function where you will have minimum amount of phone calls, a lot goes via email and a ticketing system. Now, as always, this job is in Greece. It means if you are not in Greece yet, we will provide and pay full relocation. That means we will pay for your flight from wherever you are in Europe towards Athens. Somebody will transfer you from the airport to your hotel. You will have 4 weeks hotel. After the 4 weeks hotel, you need to find your own accommodation. However, our client will provide you assistance with this. So trust me, it's not going to be very, very difficult. About the salary. The salary is 1,200 euro gross per month. You have a productivity bonus of 10% per month, plus we pay out 14 salaries per year. The project is open 7 days a week from 8 o'clock in the morning until 8 o'clock in the evening. If you will be working, you will only work 5 days per week, 8 hours per day. That means if you will be working on the weekend, for example, you get 75% extra. For more information about this job or to apply, please check our website. I will put the website address in the comment section down below, and who knows, we'll see each other here in Greece. Thank you so much. Bye.